last time we were able to chat with this young man was at Exit Festival last year, and now we have him at Skopje Festival 2018. He is one of the headliners at this year's festival. We say good evening and welcome to Alan Walker. How do you feel tonight?
Feeling great. I'm honored to be here in Macedonia, and I think it's going to be awesome tonight.
You are one of the headliners at this year's festival. What should we expect of your tonight's performance, and are you excited being in Macedonia for the first time?
I'm really excited. I think it's my first time here, and being here in Skopje is going to be incredible. And what I'm going to play is basically my own songs, and then I'm going to play more up tempo, more down tempo, and just kind of like to give people a variation of different styles and songs, and harder stuff and softer stuff.
This performance in Skopje is part of your world tour. What are some of your biggest performances scheduled for this summer? Where will your fans be able to see you?
Well, for the time being, I'm doing a very long Europe run, so I'll be anywhere in Europe. I'm doing, for example, Tomorrowland, a couple of festivals in Norway, which I don't usually do that often anymore. But it's always good to play at home, and also doing my own show in Norway on my birthday. And I'll basically be anywhere, everywhere. I'll be doing Tinderbox in Denmark, for example. I did that one on my very first tour, and it's going to be a very exciting year, well, like summer.
I'm pretty sure that this year will be marked in your calendar as as your first performance on Coachella. It is a very big music festival. Was it a challenge for you to perform at that festival?
No, not really a challenge, but it was a lot of preparations because I planned a whole different show than what I usually do. Because what I did was that we did this DJ set first, and then we had this live band, and then ended it all with the DJ set, which I think was pretty cool because it got to show another side of Alan Walker that people might not have really have expected.
And finally, do you know how to greet your Macedonian fans tonight? Do you know how to say hello in Macedonian language?
I think it was Strava? Strava?
Yeah, Zdrava Makedonia.
Strava Macedonia.
Yeah, but you need to shout out.
Strava Macedonia.
It is really impressive that you know.
Macedonia? Yeah, I was actually practicing when I arrived here. I was like, how do you actually say hello here? And then I tried to learn 1, 2, 3. And I don't really remember that.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And then jump.
We have a very special guest here with us tonight, Alan Walker, and he has a message for you.
Hello Macedonia, it's Alan Walker, and it's an honor to be here for my very first time, and I'm really excited to play in Skopje tonight.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.